Welcome this video. Create privacy in your gardening is essential for transforming it into a sane retreat where you relax and enjoy nature without decision. Whether you have a scrolling yacht or a compass vibrant space where are dabbling away to enhance provide with add beauty and functional to your gardening. Here are some creating gardening privacy idea to inspire you. Leave privacy screen. Leave privacy screens such as hub, trend, and hub and a natural and friendly way to create boundaries. Consider fast growing options like bamboo. Idea for create tall screen it's growing quick and add a tropical various. Even gardening hub various like provide a box would provide yard roll covered. Flower hub like office both provide and seasoning but those enroll for maximize cover over time those from a lush gardening away to that side for hub eyes. Pergola. Pergola can provide solve which add architecture interior to your gardening. Those structure can be with interior to your gardening. Those structure can be added with charm plants such as roots. Often are various to flower color and shape. Their plants growing over time create their natural coping or warm that enhance, provide and charm fence. Fence are a create choose for gardening. Provide that those are main style to choose for bed on your aesthetic